Whose panties?
All right, we're taking, this is our trip. We're going to go down this way.
Yep. We're
On the
configuring
kayak.
a new route.
Yeah, so here we go. We started fresh. This is our first time. Recalculating, regrouping.
And we're gonna go all the way down regardless
Hopefully.
of if we have momentum. We're just gonna keep going.
Oh, we're going to paddle our way. Oh boy,
stream.
my butt didn't fit in that. All right.
Is your butt in the bucket?
Yeah, well, it's in something. Hope my phone doesn't fall out.
You need a steady stream of this.
Okay.
Right? That looks nice. I like the ivory. Show that.
No, I don't want to. It's, it's bad. No, I can, but it's bad for the house.
Is it?
I think so.
Are
All
we
right.
ready?
I am born ready.
Okay. We're doing
Let's
it?
rock it and roll in it.
Are you gonna help? What's our job here? We're just gonna make
Survive.
Sure we
Survival.
All right. We're both on the same.
I'm
wavelength
pushing.
as where we're going.
Straight.
Right? So we gotta. Okay. So we're gonna go see where our feet are. That's the path, right? Basically.
I see the back of your head.
Right?
Yep.
So
Perfect.
where our feet are, and then not the little veer off there, but the feet and then straight.
Okay.
We're both on the same wavelength.
Sure.
Okay. So we got to make it sure that it does that.
Okay.
Okay. And not make it stop, because once it stops, it kind of.
Well, I won't make it stop, but I won't.
Well, help with it. Help it. Maybe you should get paddles.
Go.
Next time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3. Ready? Are we going? Are we going? Woo! Keep going! Keep going! You're gonna hit me with that stupid paddle.
I did.
No, I said you're gonna. Oh, we were going so good too. Shimmy, shimmy, my playmate. Play with me. I'm shimmying as I can.
We're going against each other. Come on.
We're going against the wind.
The next hill.
I can't.
Keep doing. It's like giving birth almost. Well, I've never given birth
Necessarily. Ready?
C-section. Okay.
I think it'd be easier if we got up. Ready? Let's get up.
Holy crap. We're getting up and we're going to move it. Okay.
I think we have to.
Yeah. It's too much.
So close.
All right.
Okay. Onward and
Just
upward.
make sure that the next time we go down, we're going to go through this whole thing.
Yeah.
It's going to get easier every time.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so
Straight down.
Yeah,
Without
so-
hitting.
kind of like that. So let's push it down. Push it.
Push it real good.
Push it. Yep,
Push it real good.
Get a good groove.
Yeah. It's good. Keep
Okay.
going.
Push it. Push it.
Ow. Oh, I just hit my leg with it. Oh, I'm going to have a bruise. Oh.
Okay.
Is that it?
This guy's probably like, what? Like an idiot. Okay.
Ready? Are you getting in?
Yeah.
Take that.
You take that. Okay.
Ow. Oh.
This isn't much of a hill, though. This is kind of lame.
Well, we're here.
All right, you got your feet in?
Yep.
All right, ready?
Shimmy, shimmy. Oh. Remember, we're setting the path.
Making the foundation. Okay. The foundation. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna let loose. We're letting loose.
Oh no! Oh no! We are so doing that again.
Holy shit!
Oh, this hill isn't that great. No, that hill was awesome.
Holy crap! Oh, now we gotta pave our way through.
You got a shovel?
Wait. Where's the pond?
Way over there. It's solid. Well,
Oh, it is?
Well, this corner might not be, but the other part is. At least.
For the boat.
Well, seriously. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Definitely. You just got to get it
under the ice and it cuts our head off. Yeah, no. We can't, no. Bad idea.
Bad idea, jeans.
All right. I got to do this. I got to try. Don't look at me. I gotta try.
Look away. Look away.
Oh.
That was fandiddly-tastic.
Yeah, that was fucking awesome. If I do it, yeah, wow.
Doing it again?
That was cool.
All right, we'll do it again.
You got that on video, I hope.
Yeah, for sure. That'll be.
Yeah, that's. Oh my God, that was so cool.
All right, let's do this again. Should I stop it?
We gotta go through.
No, why?
Because when we go again, we gotta go through.
Yeah, but we need a shovel to cover the dirt up. I don't want to ruin my kayak.
Oh yeah, that's true shit. What do?
We get a shovel and then we got to cover the driveway.
Or
you
a
got to.
tarp.
Our tarp.
Do you have a tarp?
Not right now.
So we gotta cover. Oh crap.
Yeah.
Okay. So we gotta do that right now. Right?
You want to go get two shovels? All right, so we got to haul this up the hill.
Yep.
Get two shovels, come down here, build our bridge.
What's that hill right there? That's not the pond, right?
That goes onto the pond.
Right there. Right there in that hill? That's the pond, right?
The pond is... The pond is way down there. Do you want to go by Danny and Jocelyn's house? Nah, let's just stay here.
What?
What are you doing?
I'm paving away. So that's what we got to do right there. So we got to put a bunch of snow there.
Yeah, we need shovels, yeah.
All right, so let's go get the shovels now. Leave this here for now.
Why, we got to take it when we go anyways.
Yeah, true. Okay. All right. So we haul it up the track and you on one side, me on the other, and haul it up the same track?
Is that what you want to do?
Yeah, that might be the best way, right?
Okay.
Keep it in the same grit.
Sure.
All right. Come on, Chiquita.
Chiquita banana?
Yeah, that's what we're in. That must have looked fucking awesome. If you were watching that, if you were that dude in that gas truck.
And he was like, yeah!
I felt like we were going fast.
50 miles an hour.
All right, gonna lift it up?
I am.
Yep.
Wait a minute. All right, are we going to both stand on the front or am I staying on the back?
That's the best way to do it, I think.
I can't lose my phone. That'd be bad news. Bad doings.
That was awesome.
Ready?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait. Watch that
Trying.
trellis thing.
Here's your paddle mark. I feel like I'm walking in the...
Trellis?
Yeah, the trellis. Oh.
As we dive hard.
But it was fun.
It was fun. Okay. This is icy.
Yeah, that's good. That's why it made it slippery.
Whoa, baby.
Oh shit, this heavy. I gotta put it down.
All right. Don't let it go.
Don't freaking let it go.
Hoist it. Hoist it up and then drop it.
Now we'll go up
All right,
with
go
it.
up to the top.
We're almost there.
We can do it.
Oh crap. Holy crap.
Ready?
No.
Dump it.
Dump it. Fucking thing. All right, shovels. Oh, you know what we should do? We should go sledding in our kayaks.
That's awesome. Shut up. You know.
You know it's awesome. Shovels.
When we go again, What are we gonna do? Where's the shovels?
Front of the house, of course.
Hold on. Look.
I might have one on my deck. I'm gonna stop it for a minute.
Okay. No problem.
Wait, I'll help you.
No, I know. We're just gonna put it here. I do not want to take the chance of this thing going flying down the hill. Whew. Whew. I need some snow.
Your beverage over there.
I
Let me
forgot
go.
all about that.
There might be one shovel back here.